Hey, I'm Lill of Lill Packaging here. I just wanted to answer with this small video a few questions that we've had about the strength of our award-winning Lill scented Breezebox. We won the e-commerce award of innovation in February 2023 for the fact that this is the world's first fragrance scented e-commerce unboxing experience. It's called the Scented Breeze Mailbox. And not only that, if you actually look at this, it has a whole load of environmental credentials to it. We're the world's first and only zero carbon certified packaging manufacturer. Every unit that we produce is FSC certified, plastic free, with eco-friendly inks and fully recyclable. But actually, to answer the question that some of you had about strength, I can actually stand on this box, completely empty when it's sealed. And I'm 13 stone, not proud of that, it's a bit of COVID weight, let's call it. But I just wanted to explain to you. So it comes in a flat pack form that you just pop up and it clicks into place here, and you have this, honey scented, this version, honey scented breeze paper inside it. It could do any smell, any scent, any fragrance. And then that is your friction adhesive tissue paper, breeze paper inside that keeps the item gripped. But since a few of you just asked, okay, what's it like with nothing inside it? Can it really take your weight? Here we go. So this is the test. Fold it up and seal it like this. And actually, when I come to put the seal down, it's important you seal that correctly here. Again, this is completely empty. So actually, if you come on close up with this one, completely on the ground, with my 13 stone weight on it. I mean, these are big heavy boots as well, still toe capped, and hopefully come out, I mean, you can,